Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I am here today for a FabFitFun video for my spring box. This is not going to be the way I normally do these videos. Normally I do them as unboxings and I'm kind of opening it up and taking things out with you on camera. But you know, I select everything that's in my box, so nothing is a surprise when I do these things. So I figured what might be more useful for you guys is if I open the box on my own, try out the products, and then do a review of the different things that I got in my box. So that might accomplish two things for you. One, it might help you decide if the products are good enough that you would want to become a subscriber to FabFitFun. And the second might be that there might be one item in the box that you really want to try. And so you might be interested in getting that. So I have my items here that I'm going to share with you, and I have had a chance to use all of them. So let me start by showing you some things that I bought in addition to my box. They have an edit sale that goes on at the, or not an edit sale, they have edit sales, but they have add-on sales that go on around the same time as your seasonal box. And so they have choices of all different kinds of things, and then for an extremely big discount on these things, and so you can decide. So I actually ordered 3 things. One of them I don't have with me. One of them was just a set of those tiny hair clips, and a lot of times, especially in the summer when my hair is kind of doing all kinds of crazy curly things, I pull it back and just put a little clip. So I got, it's like 12 clips or something, and it was a very reasonable price. They're in like shades of brown and black. The other thing that I got is 2 of the same thing. This is a scrub by Christoph Robin. It's actually advertised as a scalp or body scrub. And I tried this a long time ago when I very first got this scrub. I tried it as a scalp scrub. I thought, oh, that sounds interesting. And I was kind of working on growing my hair out and all that kind of stuff. And so, but I just didn't like the feel of something really scrubby on my scalp. And so, but it also said that it was a body scrub, and I did like it, very moisturizing on the body. But what I have really loved about this is that I live in Florida now. I used to live in Arizona, and anything moisturizing was wonderful in Arizona. But since I moved to Florida, everything seems like it just lays on top of my skin. So if I put moisturizer on, lotion, anything, it just feels like another layer of gook on top of my skin. And for some reason, with this, as moisturizing as it is, it does not feel that way on top of my skin, even in the summer. And so I actually ordered 2 jars of this because I really like it. And other things like my tea tree, is that what it was called? Shea sugar scrub? Is that what no, not tea tree. Sugar, no, I can't even think of what it's called. Tree Hut, that's what it is. Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. Even that feels like too much on top of my skin here in Florida. And so this has been great. So I took advantage of the opportunity of getting 2 of those for a cheaper price. And then I dropped this because I had gone through and picked out some stuff from the add-on sale. They had some free things that you could pick up, and they were using this, do I have my glasses here? Yes. Let me see what it's called. It's Style Edit Root Concealer. And so it's just like when you are in need of covering your roots, you can just spray this on. And I picked up 2 of them. One of them in blonde and one of them in auburn, because my hair is kind of a golden blonde, so I didn't know which would be the best. I don't know that I'll actually use this. My hair is, because my hair is pretty light anyway, and my hair is not solid gray, it's not, my grays are not terribly noticeable in between colorings, but I thought I would try it. So I picked these up for free. Okay, now on to the products that I picked out in no particular order. With FabFitFun, if you order month by month, you most of the items in your box, you don't have a choice. You just get what you get. If you pay for your year up front, then you get to choose everything in your box. So you get category 1, and then there's several choices, and you choose one. And then you go to category 2, several choices, and you get to choose one. You can even choose more than one if you want to pay an additional amount, and it's never very much. Like, you might pay $8 more for something that costs $30. So, you know, it really is it's a good deal if you can't make up your mind. So let's go ahead and show you what I picked out. So first of all, this holder on this water bottle did not come with it. This is a Swell bottle, S''WELL. I already have a couple of these bottles. I love them. It's a double insulated water bottle. This one is, I think 27 ounces. And is it 20? I think so. I'll put it here. But I really wanted this bottle. And the unfortunate thing is that it came with a little dent. And when it gets dented on the bottom, they get wobbly. And I contacted FabFitFun, and they're going to be sending me another one. So I'm very glad about that. So love these bottles. And then you can get from their website, you can get these little holders, so that, because otherwise it's kind of clunky just to hang on to without a little holder. So I was super excited, really wanted this when I saw it. Okay, the next thing I got is a cleanser by OSEA. And this is a cream cleanser. It's moisturizing. It's got a really beautiful scent to it. Let me see what it reminds me of. I don't know. It's not floral. Maybe there's a hint of citrusy notes to it, but it mostly just smells really fresh. And my skin is so dry, you guys, and I did not notice that this was drying out my skin. Like some cleansers just feel like it strips my skin of all moisture. Not this. This was really, really good. And so I'm excited to continue using this one. So the next thing I got, and the bottle's all kind of wonky because I think it got affected by elevation somewhere because it's kind of sucked in. This one is by Aveda, and it's called Nutriplenish. It is a leave-in conditioner. I absolutely love using a leave-in conditioner. I like it to be kind of a light leave-in conditioner. My hair's fine, and so if I put something that's too heavy, then it might look fine the first day, but by the second day I've got to wash it again, and so I really don't like to wash my hair every day. And this is really nice. It's very lightweight, and I just, you know, spray about 4 or 5 pumps in my hand after I have finished washing my hair, when my hair is still, sorry, it almost fell on the floor. After I finish washing my hair, and I just kind of run it through, and it's really nice. I will buy this in the future. Very, very, very nice leave-in conditioner. So the next thing I got, this one I remember I was a little conflicted in the category. I would normally not have purchased this, but I just didn't love all of my options. Yeah, and so this will be fine. This will be nice to use. But this is by African Botanics. It's a muscle pain relief recovery gel. So it's you know, one of those things that, you know, you just kind of, it's a cream, rubs on, smells like wintergreen. Yeah, it definitely has, you know, that scent to it. And I used it on my shoulders, and it felt really, really nice. And I figured, you know, I don't have sore muscles all the time, but sometimes I do, and this will be a nice thing to have. So, okay. In addition to that, let's get these other things over here. So I've told you about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 more. There's 6 total items in the box. And these next 2, I've actually been really enjoying. This one, I was up in the air on whether I should get this or not. It's by, is it Alo? Alo? It's spelled A-L-O. And it's Alo Glow System. and it is a magnesium reset spray. So magnesium is something that we are apparently quite deficient in, and it is best absorbed into your body through your skin. And so the whole thing with this is that you just spray it on. Every 3 pumps is 45 milligrams of magnesium. It says that it helps you to relax. It recommends using this before you go to sleep, although it's not like it makes you sleepy. I did look up how much magnesium we're supposed to get, or what is, like, how much is too much, and I read that if you go over 400 milligrams, that's too much. And so this 3 pumps gives you 45 milligrams. So you'd have to use an awful lot of it. So you can see that I have actually used a bit of it, and I've had John use it too. It just goes on really lightly. It's not oily or anything like that. Has a nice subtle little scent that then goes away. I've only been using this for about a week or so now, so I don't know that I've really noticed a difference. But magnesium is supposed to be good for you. It's what you get when you use Epsom salts in your bath. So I figured, why not? You know, kind of a fun thing to try. And that's what's kind of cool about FabFitFun. You might not run out and buy something called a glow system that's a magnesium reset spray, but because you have a chance to try it out in your box, then why not? So yeah, I'm having fun with that. And finally, the last thing I got in my box, and I'm super excited about this, it's, you guys, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, I am always looking for a good mascara. I've fallen in love with 2 mascaras in the past that were then discontinued. Actually, there were 3, I think. And if I say I love something, it's going to get discontinued, which is why I'm a little bit nervous about saying this. But yeah, this mascara, this is a big win for me. This is by Thrive Cosmetics. Thrive Cosmetics. They apparently donate money to charity, a portion of their proceeds. This is a liquid lash volumizer mascara. The spoolie on it is really thick. I'll show it to you. I'll pop in a picture for you. It is thicker on one side than on the other. It's really nice because then I can use that smaller side on the lashes underneath my eyes. It volumizes my eyelashes. It makes them look longer as well. I've also heard that they have a mascara that kind of that lengthens your eyelashes too. So now that I've tried this one and I like it, I'm tempted to check it out, that other kind of mascara that they sell as well. I love this, and I'm going to be buying more of this in the future. I was very happy with this. That and the Swell bottle was worth the entire box for me. So just in case you are unfamiliar with the price or anything with this, it comes out to being around $50 a box, a little less if you pay for the whole year up front, a little more if you don't, I think. I think it ends up maybe being about around $55 a box or something now if you're paying box by box. And it comes 4 times a year. Love this thing. I have been subscribing to FabFitFun since the fall of 2016. 8 years. Yeah, almost 8 years. So I love this. It's not just beauty products, it's all kinds of stuff. I was looking around my house the other day at all the stuff that I still have. I have 2 hats that I've picked out. One of them is kind of a hat I would wear maybe more in the fall or winter. Another one is definitely a summer hat, kind of a light colored with a pink band around it. I love that. I have a couple of shawls and a scarf, and then of course all kinds of things, makeup items and skincare, and just a ton of stuff. I have candle holders in my dining room that are from FabFitFun. I love it. I absolutely love the service. So I'll put a link for you in the space below. I don't even know if I have I might have a discount code for you. Check down there, and we'll see. So the other thing I know that I have, I'm pretty sure I have it right now, but periodically I get these, and it is it's like a trial box, a sample box. So if you're interested in trying a sample box, they'll send you like 4 items, and all you have to pay is the cost of shipping. And so I will go ahead and send you, if I have a code for one, I'll send you that. And so just let me know. All you have to do is you can email me at BusyBeingJen@gmail.com and let me know if you're interested in that. And I only get so many of them, so once those are gone, they're gone. So let me know if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you're doing well. I will give you my review of my next FabFitFun box, which will come in a few months. Let me know if you liked this. Instead of just opening the box and showing you what I got, if I waited to try everything, and if you like this format for it, then that'll be something I'll continue to do in the future. So take care, you guys. Bye.